Today, we're diving into the most intense and brutal motorcycle pursuits ever caught on camera. Buckle up as we showcase heart-pounding moments of high-speed chases, daring escapes, and law enforcement's relentless pursuit of justice. You won't believe the risks taken on two wheels. Watch as a motorcyclist narrowly escapes disaster by crashing into the side of an Arkansas State Police cruiser during a high-speed pursuit.
Coming up on you. Get that motorcycle up here, guys. 50 right here. Hey.
Alright, he just hit me. Come here. If it's gonna get us to the 16th ring.
I got nothing on me, man.
I probably need a 10-11 for my car.
Alright, hold on.
I ain't got nothing on me, bro.
What you running for, Hoss?
I wasn't running. I didn't know what was going on, man.
Where you hurt at, man?
Pretty hurt.
Oh,
Just stay still.
Como gol.
Okay.
Como color gol.
Ok, yo mando a la policía. Muchas gracias por la llamada.
Okay.
Virtual approaching marathon.
Ready. Looks like southbound
Traffic is continuing southbound Virgil for Melrose.
Ochoa was transported by police vehicle and booked into an LAPD jail facility. On July 9th, 2020, the case was presented to the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office, who, upon review, rejected the felony filing and referred the case to the City Attorney's Office. On Thursday, May 16th, 2024, at around 9:14 p.m., a black motorcycle was spotted on Interstate 430 North near the 8-mile marker, switching lanes without signaling. When police attempted a traffic stop, the motorcycle accelerated away, reaching speeds of 95 miles per hour on Rodney Parham Road. This is the footage of the high-speed chase that followed.
Photo on 2 United 363 for Adam 14-1037. Ten 4. This is Breckenridge. No traffic, 915.
Down to 50. Coming up to Treasure Hill.
10 4, approaching Treasure Hill, 915.
Hey, stop right there. Get on the ground. Okay. Get on the ground.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Hands behind your back.
Yes, sir.
Don't move.
Yes, sir.
I've got one
A
again.
Lynchburg man faces up to 6 years in prison after pleading guilty Wednesday to charges connected to a late-night, high-speed chase through city streets, ending in a motorcycle wreck. Lewis Edward Fields, 44, pleaded guilty to charges of felony eluding and misdemeanor driving on a suspended license in Lynchburg Circuit Court. Prosecutors said Fields was arrested January 3rd after eluding police and leading them on a nearly 10-minute chase turning on various Lynchburg streets, sometimes reaching 100 miles per hour and going the wrong way against oncoming traffic.
Very much. Very much. I'm not sure the exact area I'm in now, so stand by. Right on Sussex.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to get close. I don't know that.
Alright, turning right back on Ford Avenue. Yeah, guys, we're headed back to Woods. He's in opposite traffic, going against traffic. Ford Avenue still far in excess of 100.
Alright, Taylor's come back now with registration bells.
Alright, we're Ford Avenue, getting ready, we're turning right on Highland. Yeah, he's trying to get back to Ford, I believe. Now we're on Westview. Got gray sweatpants, a black and white jacket, black helmet. Now stop sign at Myrtle. Anywhere close, he's just running circles in his neighborhoods.
I'm working my way there, but I'm 501 Sunny Mead.
Alright, I just passed one LPD. I got a pile up behind me. We're going Ford Avenue again, Jason. He's getting ready to turn. We're going Ford Avenue, that's Iowa City. Going back Kinetics. Passing Kinetics right now, going back towards Timberlake Road. And call it Timberlake Road in the city. Going back Ford Avenue. I've got 4 or 5 looking. We're trying to box them in. We got around. I'm actually cut to talk to Lincoln dispatcher. He got on the line. He's taking all these streets. I can't keep up, but I'm right on him.
If you've got a spare unit, run someone over to Timberlake right there at the Lynchburg County.
He just 1050, 1050.
Yeah, boy.
Thank you.